Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I have another unboxing of some things that I purchased from Missouri Star Quilt Company. We have National Jelly Roll Day coming up on the 21st of September, and I am going to be making a jelly roll quilt. I purchased this beautiful jelly roll called Kindred, and I opened it. Thought I had already shared it, and I hadn't, but these are beautiful colors, you can see. And I am going to make a jelly roll quilt using them. I also bought 2 yards of a fabric that I will use. I'm not sure where. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as the binding or in the quilt, because I also had this beautiful pink batik in my stash that I think I'm going to use in the quilt too. The collection was called Kindred, and I'll share a picture showing the different colors in here after you see this. And like I said, I opened this one too. They're beautiful fabrics. I also purchased this cute pink poodle, which is part of Missouri Star Quilt's birthday bash. Isn't that cute? And this is about 8 inches by 8 inches, so it'll be really cute on a quilt. I also picked up these 2 dragonflies. And the little one is 4 by 3, and the big one is 9 by 6.5. They are so cute. Have you seen that they have the 3-yard packs? It's 3 yards of 45-inch fabric from blank, and it was $15. And this is a beige print that I bought. I'm pretty sure I bought it for the backing on a quilt, but I can't remember what quilt. We'll have to wait and see. Like I said, I took the jelly roll apart, and it was Kindred from Moda Fabrics by I Canoe 2. And if you ever bought a jelly roll from Moda, you get this cute ribbon around it. It's really cute. So are you going to be making a quilt for National Jelly Roll Day? I will, and I hope you'll come back and see what I make. Thank you.